You never said it to me. Okay.
Okay, it's a 5 first, and you do a left press, and then you like do down. It's like you like think of it as like
No, that was almost F in a warp zone, dude. That was with E6. I actually did a slightly slow wiggle.
Wait, ancient warp zone was perfect. 176.
What?
I got lightning! R02! Or no, R01, R01, I got lightning.
Dude, you
I
got
got
R1.
lightning! Let's go, dude! Let's go!
Dude!
Freaking go!
Literally
5 or 20s. 5 or 20s. This is 115 in the
5
morning.
R20s.
I
And you got R1, you got R1.
I got R1. I got R1. I got R1.
Dude!
I even jumped up 176. It was just a bad luck for us in fight.
Dude!
But it's fine. It's fine. I got lightning.
Oh my god.
Don't tell anybody.
You
Don't tell anybody. Don't tell
absolute
anybody.
god. I'm not gonna tell him. I'm not gonna tell anyone. Dude,
Oh my
you
god.
absolute god.
Let's go, dude!
You absolute god.
Ancient of Warp Zone. It was my first Ancient of Warp Zone session. That took 9, not even 9 minutes of the session.
Dude, 25th person. Dude, you're 25th.
Let's go, dude. Oh my god.
Literally 5 minutes ago, you were saying that you really wanted to get 25th. Bruh. Bro, you absolute god.
I did.
Dude, you deserve that so hard,
Oh
dude.
my god. And it was R1 too.
Dude, that's only second ever R1.